episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got this Kikkoman noodle kit with sauce, teriyaki sesame. I would refer to it as sesame teriyaki, but whatever. Anyways, it's gluten-free, bereft of gluten. There's the sauce, and there's the noodle. 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Stir-fried chicken and broccoli. I don't have any of that. 2 minutes. Okay. I got this. I do. So this is going to be. I'm going to make this up, and hopefully she's enthused. This is going to be lunch for my wife. There we go. And we're going to do 4 minutes. And I'm going to put this over here. Should you be able to see it? Yeah, you can see that. You can. And we got this. Man, this stove, I tell you. So I need some chicken. You're supposed to stir fry up this chicken, but I already got chicken that's kind of already done. I'm gonna drop that in here. Do that. We need some veg. I'm gonna use most of this. Calls for a lot of oil, but I've got to say, I've had people give me a lot of blowback on this, but I'm telling you, this is where it's at. Cooking spray is nice because you don't have to use, it's easier to get a more measured amount of oil. Boom. That's like maybe, it's less. I'll just say that. It is less. Throw in some mung bean sprout. Maybe about that much. This is the good to the 24th. Today's the 22nd. So I'll have to do it up so I can do a reviewing tomorrow. Because these things, they're shot when they're shot. Mung bean sprouts. Christmas Eve mung bean sprouts. Think of that. Wowie. Wow. It's gonna be Christmas. And everybody's gonna love that. And it's gonna be fun. God, I hope it's fun. Sesame seeds. Alright. So I've got a project that I'm gonna do once I'm done with this. So it is freaking violently cold outside, and my plan, here, let's turn you up. My plan is, I'm going to take all the ingredients that you could use to make a nice bowl of ramen. I'm going to use some of this ramen that I just really don't want, and I'm going to put it out, put this camera pointed right at it, and do a time lapse of it freezing, and then I'll show you it plated as frozen. Oh, come on. Heat up. So, yeah, sesame teriyaki, or teriyaki sesame. I think basically this is going to be like a teriyaki yakisoba kind of. Get in there. God. Playing games with life. But yeah, it is the 22nd of December 2022. So you guys are probably enjoying much warmer temperatures, depending on where you live. God, where's the place? I used to listen to this radio station in Winnipeg, up in Canada. And it was just like, they were talking about temperatures that made this, like being at 12 degrees, sound like summertime. I mean, it was just vicious cold, like minus 20 or minus 15 or whatever Celsius. And yeah, but it's chilly for these parts. That is for certain. So I think it'll be fun. Add this in. This is the goo, the sesame teriyaki goo. And let that simmer for about a minute. Turn it in there. I mentioned broccoli and bell pepper, and I just don't have any of that. It is not something I have personally. It needs a little bit more time. Wow, that's kind of sloppy stuff. We'll see. I've tried a few of these little meal kit things, and they're really not bad. Come on. I think I'm going to drain that noodle right about now. Let this simmer a little bit. There's that. So we got our chicken, we got our mung bean sprouts, we got a little bit of spring onion in there. Really would like these mung bean sprouts to be a little more done before I make the magic occur. Come on, get on that color. I don't like stark white mung bean sprouts. They make me irritable. Come on, get lugubrious. Get floppy. We got a second for that to happen. Maybe. Well, let's plate the noodles. You're supposed to serve this over the noodle, and I think I'm just going to go with that. And then we will try it. Although I think serving it mixed with the noodles seems more logical. But we'll give it a go. Just remember, it's gluten-free. That's getting more what I'm looking at. That's more what I wanted. Yeah, there we are. Uh-oh. So, I just tasted the teriyaki sauce stuff. And unfortunately, they're making it in a way that would quote-unquote appeal to Westerners, I think, because it's funky. There you go. Clean you up a little bit. Eek. Come on. No. Whether I like it or not, I want it to be pretty. Somewhat pretty. Yeah, I wanted to do these reviews that I'm doing today last night, but I ran out of natural light to use, so yeah. Yeah, we can clean that up in post. Little spring onion. And a little bit of sesame seed atop. I'll go take the pretty pictures, then I'll come back and try it. By the taste of that teriyaki sauce, I'm not too thrilled. However, it does look pretty. Take a couple pictures. Alright. Let's do a little rotato action for you. Let the stove cool down slightly. It's very hot. And I don't want to get burned. Ooh! Yeah, there you go. Watch it spin. Let's give this a try. Let me switch back to that. Ping. I need a fork. Chicken, spring onion, and rice noodle. Our rice noodle. Here we are. We'll give it a go. In a moment after my face melts back to, or doesn't melt. That was really hot. I don't know, folks. The noodle's great. I like it topped on the noodle better. However, I don't know. I bet you my wife takes a bite and goes like that. She'll give like the short, fast head shake, which generally means like, thanks, but no. Anyways, they've got other varieties that are good, so check them out. And this has been Hans the Ramenator, wishing you enjoyment into your noodles each and every day. I'm going to go freeze some ramen. Have a good one. Bye-bye.